Hello friends, this is Neeraj Shukla here, your host, your mentor, and today we are going to talk about the ISO 7547. Yes, you have heard it right. This is also one of the module in my mega course for oil and gas HVAC. Now you all must be wondering that why I have chosen this particular standard and what is so special about this standard that sir is talking about it and what is it all about. Yes, since I've selected this particular standard for this particular course, it has a very strong significance. And let me tell you, unless you understand this standard, you really cannot proceed with your HVAC design. Yes, you're right. And what is the standard all about? This standard talks about the HVAC system, that is heating, ventilation, air conditioning system design basis for the marine installations. When I say marine, it's all about the ships. I have already explained in my previous module the types of ships and what is a ship and what category it comes in. All categories are ships, whatever the ship may be, falls under this particular standard. ISO 7547. With any interview you go, you should keep this in your mind. ISO 7547. This is your Bible when you are designing any ship air conditioning. And when I say ship air conditioning, you know what I mean. Ship air conditioning is ship air conditioning. So we are going today provision of each and every provision of ISO 7547, what it means, how many air changes it recommends, what temperature it recommends, why it recommends, what are the other things need to be considered, what are the ventilation rate to be considered. We need to consider everything as per this 7547. Remember. So, but don't worry, I'm going to explain you each and every provision one by one. And one more thing, when you're going to do this case study, definitely this will help you. All the standard rates you need to mug up completely. So you know which value to be used where. For the offshore installation, oil and gas installation, you have another standard ISO 15138. That is for the fixed installations. As you know, these marine installations are applicable for the oil and gas also, where there are the ships which are the oil tankers or ships which are the FPSO, that is floating production and offloading vessels, that is FPSO vessels. So FPSO vessels also have an accommodation for that. This standard is applicable, and wherever there are fixed oil and gas platforms are there, where you have a technical building or you have LQ or both, in that place you have to apply ISO 15138, but that is we are going to cover in another module. That is going to be a mega module, but this module also you need to understand very patiently, and you need to analyze by yourself. You need to take a note of it, and notes will help you, to be honest. So be prepared with your notes. So when you apply it, you will understand where to apply and why not to apply. So with that, we are going to go to our the next one.